If you want to launch your online business selling custom print-on-demand items, but you're unsure how to make money with Printful products, fear not, you're about to find out. If you're new to the print-on-demand scene, welcome. Printful is an on-demand printing and fulfillment company that helps people turn ideas into brands and products. Printful handles the process of making and shipping your custom designed products directly to your customers so you can focus on growing your business. Whether Printful is just a side project, a way to grow your current brand, or your main gig, every print-on-demand business owner needs to crunch the numbers to ensure they're making a profit. It all comes down to setting the right retail prices for your products so you can make a profit with each sale. But what exactly is the retail price? Let me break it down for you. The retail price is the amount you charge your customer for your product. The difference between your retail price and Printful's fulfillment price is your profit. So to make a profit, your retail price needs to cover both the cost of making the product and the earnings you plan to make. In theory, it sounds simple, but there are additional costs associated with managing your online store that you should consider before calculating your profits. Brick-and-mortar shops usually need retail prices to cover expenses like rent, utilities, and restocking inventory. Print-on-demand stores have different costs, especially if you're managing your brand by yourself. I've put together a list of potential costs to make it easier for you to access before you start selling your print-on-demand products. Let's take a look at them. E-commerce platforms, online marketplaces, and payment processors all come with fees. For example, platforms like Shopify have fixed monthly costs, while others like Etsy or eBay take a percentage of your sales and charge for each product listing. Payment gateways such as PayPal offer free account creation but charge transaction fees. Also, remember to factor in hosting and domain expenses if you have your own .com website. Be sure to include these fees in your product costs. I recommend trying out Printful's Design Maker to create designs for free, or you can upload your own designs to customize your product. And if you need extra help with designs, consider reaching out to artists. Many store owners prefer using platforms like Fiverr due to the vast array of artists specializing in different niches, ranging from sports designs and children's illustrations to minimalist styles and fantastical art. To ensure your product sales cover your design costs, calculate how many units you need to sell to break even at the design costs. This gives you a starting point to aim for, and you can adjust your profit margin as necessary. If you're new to running an online store, you may be wondering how you can ensure that your products are seen by the right people. The solution is to run targeted paid advertising campaigns. Running paid ads can boost your chances of turning interested individuals into customers. It's important to know where your community and potential customers spend their time online. You can allocate a portion of your retail price to create a budget for advertising on platforms like TikTok ads, Facebook ads, or Google ads. The taxes Printful charges you for fulfilling your products based on your customer's location don't replace your tax responsibilities as a business owner. So here's a tip. You can set aside a chunk of your store sales to cover your tax obligations later. This approach can help ensure you have the funds ready before paying your local tax authority. In any case, I strongly advise seeking guidance from a professional to understand your tax obligations and ensure you're following all relevant business laws. I actually recently made a tax video for print-on-demand beginners, so be sure to check it out after watching this one. Do you include other costs in your retail prices to run your online business? Share them in the comments. Now, let me show where on the Printful website you set your estimated profits from your products. From your Printful dashboard, go to Product Templates or My Products. This is where you keep all your product designs. To assign a price to your products, you first need to push them to a store. So I'll click Add to Store, select a store from the list, and go through the design, mockups, and details steps. In the product pricing stage, you'll see the Printful price column, which is the price to fulfill the product at Printful's facilities, the retail price column, and the estimated earnings column, which is the retail price minus the Printful price, your profit margin. Let's test it. The Printful price for this t-shirt is $14.95. So if I want to set an estimated profit of 35% of the base price, I'll set the retail price to $22.50. See how the estimated earnings are adapted to your new retail price? And here's where you can consider the extra costs I discussed earlier in the video. When you're set, click Save Product. To simplify your profit calculations, you can use the calculator on our pricing page. This tool gives you an estimate of your potential profit from selling Printful's best-selling products. Just enter details like taxes, e-commerce platform fees, product transaction fees, and an estimate of the quantity sold. I'm hoping this video is helpful in your process of setting your profit margins. I can't wait to see you and your online business thrive. Thanks for joining, and see you in the next video.